Hey, it's Sammy on Friday the 13th. We took 3 trades this morning for 2,730 pips. Let's take a look at the data, let's take a look at the charts, and see what went down. This is our first trade. We're going pre-market right now. There's no red news, but we're trading before the 9:30 open. We have multiple time frames of momentum, multiple time frames in sentiment, and we're just gonna head up to this 123.6 or this daily R1 level for a target. Took a little bit to move our stop loss to break even, plus 25 to protect the trade. You can see as we are punching up here, hitting this 123.6 Fibonacci level, we're going to go ahead and manually close this with 630 pips. We've got a beautiful single top, breaks a structure across 5 time frames. We have a new high of a day with that blue tracer, really close up to R1. Our soda signature reversal trade, which is mechanical and confirmed with data, is playing out on the 1-minute chart. So I have the 5-minute chart up here. I apologize, but we're going to go ahead and we're in this trade on our 1-minute chart. So it's showing up over here on our 5-minute chart. We are trading right before the open, so we're going to protect this trade, moving that stop loss to break even plus 25. Now you can see we're coming down to this white horizontal line. We're also coming down to this gray shadow box and weekly resistance. Those all act as support. We're going to manually go ahead and lock this trade up with 900 pips. All right, so that was the basically stop hunt, as they call it, at the open. Now we are going back in the direction. There is still multiple high time frames of data that are telling us that the market is still bullish numerically. We came down with just our short time frame data and it has already flipped back up over the midpoint, so we are back in this trade long. All right, you can see that blue tracer is already up there by daily R1. So we're gonna see how price behaves when we get up to this level. All of our momentum is kicked in across multiple time frames. All of 5 time frames are in sentiment. So we're gonna punch right through this R1 level. We're gonna go ahead and manually close this trade with 1,200 pips. Now I drag the trade out of the terminal and put it on the chart so you can see where we entered and where we locked profit. One of the reasons we locked profit is because we keep a trade journal. So statistically, we actually understand how fast the market should move, and when it's out of character, we need to lock in our profits so it doesn't pull back against us and take those profits away. If you want to learn how to trade journal properly, use numeric data properly to trade in even the most challenging market conditions and win consistently, book a call. We'll walk you through the process.